my two favourites, and I went for one, and the lion said the other one was his favourite. Two, count them, two very special shop, sell, repeat. I might have some explaining to do. Oh! Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today, we've got the long-awaited double Fashionphile unboxing. I'm so excited about this one. Not only do I have that, but I have a couple of goodies from Zoomoni as well that I'm going to share with you that go with these bags. I said that I was a little bit excited about this one, and I get excited about pretty much everything. I am like an overstimulated 5-year-old, or a toddler as the lion calls me. So I do get super excited about these things, and frankly, that's how I feel these things should make me feel. When they stop making me feel this excited, that's probably the time when I should be giving them up. So I have got two, count them, two very special luxury pre-loved handbags in here that I picked up in Fashionphile on our recent trip to New York. I went to Fashionphile twice. I went once with the Handbag Tribe when we did our Fashionphile tour. Thank you, Lisa, again for arranging that for us, and I'll have that vlog linked down below. And then I went back a second time, just me and the lion, and I'll have that vlog linked down below, because the first time I wasn't fully prepared. I hadn't done my research, and although I looked at some wonderful handbags, I came away with nothing. So I went away and did some research, and the lion and I went back for a second round, and that's when I bought these two goodies. I would just like to say that this video is not sponsored by Fashionphile. I wish it was. Fashionphile, if you ever feel like it, I'm here. So I did my research. I came up with a long short list of the things that I wanted to see when I went back with the lion, shared it with the lion, took him through it. He said that he had a favourite on the list. He wouldn't tell me what it was though. There were a lot of beautiful bags there, but I wanted it to be something really special because this was like a one-off opportunity for me. I got my choices down to the last two, my two favourites, and I went for one, and the lion said the other one was his favourite from my list, so he offered to buy it for me, and it is in this Gucci bag. I was quite lucky that both of my purchases came with their original dust bag, so this is the Gucci bag. And you may remember what it was, just from the shape of it, from the mod shots and everything, which I will have shown in here as well in this video. It is... Oh, hello brightness. Isn't this an absolute dream of a print? This is the Gucci Jackie, and this was a collaboration with Ken Scott. Ken Scott was an artist, and this was a collection that was released in 2021. I believe it was to mark a 30-year anniversary of his passing. And I probably, you know, a couple of years ago, I wouldn't have looked at this because I would have thought that the shape was a little bit awkward. I would have not enjoyed it just being a sort of top handle or shoulder bag, and I can get it over my shoulder. Back in those days where I had to be a crossbody camera bag. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is how you open it. Oh, look at the print, all of the colours. That's how you open it. And inside it is this kind of suedette kind of Alcantara, very soft lining. The same lining that's in my Gucci Marmont camera bag, and it's got this little additional strap here. So what you do with the shoulder strap is you unbuckle it here and then you extend it using this, and it does actually sit quite nicely on me as a crossbody. I don't know how often I would use it as a crossbody bag, but the option is there. So that's the lining. It's got a slip pocket at the front and a zip up pocket at the back. And on the zip up pocket, it's got Gucci, made in Italy, Ken Scott. You know, because I have told you so many times, and because I keep things boxed up and waiting to share with you, that I feel weird if I have got something new and I haven't shared it with you guys yet on an unboxing, on a reveal video, on a haul video or something like that. I feel really, really weird actually using it. I did cheat with this. I have used this. I actually used this in New York. I had my outfit of the night put together and I used one of my Fendi bags for the photo, but then I actually swapped out and used this one because I really, really wanted to use it immediately. And I've actually used this a load already. I've used this loads and I've been dying to share it with you because it's just a beautiful print. It's got all the colours in it. It'll go with absolutely nothing, so it will go with absolutely everything. And I've even worn it with leopard print. I mean, you'd think clash-tastic, but it actually works really, really well. So this was the lion's favourite choice, and he very generously bought this for me after I had made my choice, and this one had come in second. So what was it that I chose that knocked this off the top spot? Well, let's find out, shall we? What else have we got in here? Been very, very scared to get into pre-loved, but Fashionphile made it very easy. So in this bag I have, it's a Louis Vuitton dust bag. Okay, brace yourselves, kids, and I might have some explaining to do with this one as well. This is the other bag. This was my top pick from when we went back to Fashionphile and I tried on all the gorgeous bags. This is the one that I really wanted to buy, or I had to buy after I played with it. It is the Marc Jacobs era Stephen Sprouse Speedy 30 in pink, 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 pink. It's coming up a little bit kind of orangey on screen on my camera, but it isn't. Deb's got the orange one, I got the pink one. This bag blew me away. Now remember when I said this, the graffiti. Now I would have taken hot pink, I would have taken acid green, and I would have taken them in a Neverfull. I wouldn't have wanted them in a Speedy. I would have taken them in a Speedy, but I don't like the Speedy, so it would have been under duress. I mean, basically it was all true. I don't like the Speedy. I just find it a very cumbersome large bag. And this is the old style Speedy, so this isn't the bandolier. It doesn't have the additional leather, vachetta leather, and it doesn't have the crossbody strap. What it does have is the amazing Sprouse print. Absolutely beautiful. It came with the lock and the keys, and the vachetta has got really nice patina on it. It is lovely, it is worn, it is honeyed, it's not dirty, and these handles are, they're like super soft. I was surprised at how soft these are. Not soft because they're really malleable and you can bend them or anything, but just really soft to the touch, like they've just been sort of almost worn and polished and just gorgeous. Now, the zip. Is it going to be buttery smooth? Yes, yes it is. Yes, it is. Oh, and there we go. We've just got the usual sort of brown lining there. We've got a D-ring here for you to clip on your mini pochette accessoire or your keys or something. And then we've got the little flappy flap here, and inside there is the key for my padlock. And with both of these bags, the condition is absolutely fabulous. I can't really see any kind of wear to the print, to the corners, to the vachetta or anything. There were two of these up in this pink, in this hot pink, and I went for the very slightly more expensive one because it had the padlock, but it was also slightly better condition, although this is in absolutely fantastic condition. So these are two very, very special collaboration pieces. And I think that's what went through my mind when I was trying on all of the bags. There were loads of things there. There were really quite good bargains on things like the Bottega Veneta Intrecciato leather, the Jodie bags, which is still definitely on my hit list. But when faced with the opportunity to buy two very, very special, this one limited edition, this one not quite so limited edition, but two very special collaboration designs pieces on classic style handbags, it was an opportunity I couldn't pass up. And you know me, I like a classic style handbag with a bit of a colour or design twist on it, or I like a really kind of outlandish style bag, but in a more kind of classic colourway like black or something neutral like that. And actually in the comment section of the second Fashionphile vlog, when I tried both of these beauties on, you guys loved both of these. This got a lot of love. This Gucci Jackie got a lot of love, and the Sprouse, I mean, I think I could have expected the Sprouse to get a lot of love, but this got a lot of love as well. And in fact, I think both of these came out top in terms of the love from the Fandabis. So you guys have excellent taste as well. Two incredibly beautiful bags, two very, very special bags. Special not only in their design and the collections they came from, but special in that I got them in New York when I was there with the Handbag Tribe. So that's an incredible memory as well, but also because the Lion bought me this one. So this is by default now a forever bag. I can freely use these now that I have shared them with you. You can expect to see a lot of photos of these on Instagram because they are just beautiful. And then this leads me on to Zoomoni. And just to let you know, I've got a 20% off code that works site-wide. So if there's anything on the Zoomoni website that you like the look of and it isn't already covered by a promotion, use my code StyledByGwenny. It is not case sensitive and you will get 20% off. Zoomoni reached out to me very, very shortly after we came back from New York and asked me if I wanted to try anything, and I saw they had this style bag organizer, which is something quite different to what I'm used to, and I thought your timing is perfect. I have these two new pre-loved special, very special pieces that have just joined my collection, so why not try something a little bit more special to use as a bag organizer? So I have gone for their satin silk finish. These were very well packaged up, I have to say. I've got a nice little thank you card from Zoomoni here, so you can see from the finish here that this is a really soft kind of silky satiny finish, and I've gone for two things for the Speedy and I've gone for one thing for the Gucci. And because I'm not a slouchy girl, I'm a slouchy girl, but I don't like my bags to be slouchy girls, I actually asked for the base shaper to go with the Speedy. This is the Gucci bag liner. We'll get into that in a second. Oh! They have sent me a lot of other bits and pieces. I wasn't expecting those. So I'd asked for these, which they very kindly sent to me. Oh, matches my top, doesn't it? Mint velvet, silk. So I'd asked for these and they sent me these as well. Thank you, Zoomoni. This is for the Gucci Jackie. So it's this silk finish, which hopefully that'll show up. It feels really, really nice to the touch. Got a little logo. And this one has got a slip pocket here and then two smaller slip pockets, so you could slip a little card holder or something in there. I think there were 4 different colours, and I went for this kind of beigey colour because it was quite similar to the existing interior. She's a perfect fit. There you go, perfect fit. Doesn't look too distracting from the original colour of the lining. And we'll just give that little extra layer of protection that I'm very, very keen on. Now this is quite a structured bag, so this is much more of a sort of protection piece, this bag organizer. Whereas for this beauty, you can see she just wants to slouch and chill out. So I'm going to put the base shaper in first. It's got the little Zoomoni label. I'll put that in first. Okay, so that's going to sort out any slouching. So I'm just putting my hand punching my hand in there. And this one I went for, oh God, there were so many different options for how to have your bag organizer laid out. So I went with 2 water bottle options here, because one of them I'll use to hold my sunglasses case. And then on this side I've got a slim pocket, a really thin pocket, just for, you just about get a skinny little pen in there. Another pocket, I've got 2 pockets on this side, which is slightly bigger. So on the outside, I've got 2 pockets here, and then this big one. And this big one is the one I would use to slip my Kindle into. I am going to pop it in now. So I've got the base shaper in the bottom, and this is all nice and soft. So without the base shaper, I think we would still have quite a bit of slouch. And already you can see the canvas is being pushed out. It's not big and chunky. Yeah, the bag liner is not big and chunky, not like some of the felt ones I've had before, but oh, wow! What do you think of my new purchases, and what do you think of the Zoomoni bag organisers I got? Let's have a little quick look in these as well, these little bonus pieces. It's a little set of 3. Could use these as little drawer dividers. This is the next one. So the red set is square, this is rectangular, and it's not quite Tiffany blue, but it's not far off it. The felt actually feels quite nice. It's sturdy, but it's still squishable. And then there's these, they're both sets of 4. So this one takes a lipstick and it goes all the way in. And this is the smallest of the pink ones. So it would also take a lipstick, but it won't go all the way down. Thank you again, Zoomoni, and thank you for giving me a discount code. Go and check them out. I was surprised at the vast range they had. So I hope you did enjoy this video and you could see and you could understand why I was so excited about this one. I'm excited about all of them, but why I was so excited. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my choices. Are they the ones you said I should go for? I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!